Dali! Hello guys, good morning again and again and again. For today's video, I will go to the mountain to kuha the sugnod because no more sugnod in Abuhan because nahotdan. You know what I mean guys. I'm sorry because I'm not English major. Hindi. If you marinig nyo guys, may nagsigawan dito, you know. I'm here in mountain. I like this place guys, so very many chicken fight, cockfighting. Huh? If you want this buy chicken, PM, just PM. Okay. I like this place guys because very cool, and also this guy, he is a good man, hardworking. You know what I mean guys. Nandi is very bad boy. When I was his young, you know,
Papa!
Commander.
Gayang.
Ha?
Commander Gayang.
Gayang. Guys, mga mapugi yung mga manok ni Dandy guys, oh. Alright.
So, palete ko plumboy dito.
Guys, may Boko yung kaibigan ko, my friend. Guys, Dandy, I like this Boko.
Coconut.
Coconut Boko. You give the coconut.
Sakay natin palaman itong
Okay. I will go na. Oh, kuha sugnod. And my wife is there. Shit. Okay lang ta guys, kay kisipan ta guys. Okay. Guys, nakikita nyo yung malawak na palayan guys. Sa kapitbahay namin yan guys, malawak yan hanggang doon. Dulo na walang hanggan. Maraming ano dito guys, oh. Kakao. Malawak, kung may ganito kang lupain, ganda sana. Nakakawala ng stress dito guys, oh. Lawak.